Hello sir ma'am, welcome to my channel. For today's video, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung ano po ba ang mangyayari sa inyong uploaded video pag kayo po ay naka-violate ng YouTube guidelines. So, ang nakikita nyo po ngayon ay ang aking in-upload na video August 27, 2023. Ang title po niya ay Vehicular Traffic Incident Santiago Buang La Union, Toyota Banet versus Trailer Truck, August 26, 2023. So nung in-upload ko po siya, ang unang lumabas po sa kanya ay age restriction. So ito po, itong sa baba, age restriction. This video is age restricted. Viewer must be signed in and at least 18 years old to watch it. So after nyan, wala pa pong 10 minutes, lumabas kagad tong remove. This video was removed from YouTube. Only you can see this video. Yan. So ni-remove po siya ni YouTube kasi according to them, may na-violate po tayong guidelines. So ang visibility po ng video na to ay remove, yung restriction niya, terms and policies plus yung age restriction. So ito po yung nakalagay. Yan. So hindi ko na po sinubukang mag-appeal kasi nung binasa ko po yung terms and condition niya, yung community guidelines, so nakikita ko naman po na may violation talaga. So ito, kung gusto po nating mag-appeal, ganito po ang ating gagawin. Yan, sa age restriction, pindutin lang po natin yung appeal at makikita po dyan age restricted. Viewers must be signed in and at least 18 years old to watch this video. So sabi dyan, we discovered an issue with your video. While it doesn't necessarily violate our guidelines, it may not be appropriate for viewers under 18. To help keep the community safe, we placed age restriction on it. In the next two steps, we'll ask you to take a look at your content and the policy. I'd like to appeal. Will be happy to review your content again. So i-next po natin. So ito na. So yan yung content sa taas, pwede siyang i-play, pero hayaan na natin. So hindi na ako mag-appeal. What to look for in your review. Yan, community guidelines, sabi dyan. Our age restriction are in a place to help viewers avoid watching content that they may not be feel unacceptable for themselves or for their children. We review content in a case-to-case basis and will make limited exemption for appropriate educational, documentary, artistic, and scientific content. So, hayaan na natin. Hindi na tayo mag-appeal. So, next na tayo. I don't want to appeal. So, yun na po pindutin natin. Sabi diyan, do you want to appeal? So, ayaw ko nang mag-appeal. Kaya, yan, pindutin ko na. Thanks for taking a look at the content and policy. What would you like to do? So, hindi na tayo mag-appeal. I don't want to appeal. Viewers must be signed in and at least 18 years old. Okay. Ayan. So, hindi natin mag-appeal. Submit na natin. Text input required. So, thanks for the advice. Ayan, yan na lang. God bless. YouTube. Sila na ba yun, Matt? Hindi pa. Ayan, yun na lang ilagay natin. Share of thought. Thanks for the advice. Ayan. Hindi ko alam ang spelling. So, okay na yan. So, send na natin. Submit. Ayan. Ayaw ko nang mag-appeal. Okay, nakalagay dyan. Thanks for review. Check out your community guidelines anytime you're unsure about posting content. To see this issue later, to your content screen and lock. Okay, dismiss. At kung gusto niya naman pong mag-appeal, ito po ang ating gagawin. Kung gusto natin mag-appeal, yan. I want to appeal. Placing age restriction on this content doesn't make sense to me. So, yun. We'll carefully review your video again, but we can guarantee a particular outcome. If you determine that your content shouldn't have age restriction, we'll make the video available. So, kung mag-appeal po tayo, dito po natin, i-share po natin yung thoughts dito. So, kung gustong mag-appeal. So, yun nga po, ayaw ko nang mag-appeal. Kaya, ang pipindutin ko po ito, I don't want to appeal. Yun. Viewers must be signed in and at least 18 years old to watch this video. Since this isn't a strike, this channel isn't affected. If you have your mind later, you can still come back to make appeal decision. So, mag-appeal kasi hindi, what you'd like to share, anything else, kailan nyo pong maglagay ng idea dito sa part na to para maisubmit po ang ating appeal. So, thanks. Maraming salamat YouTube sa advice and concern. God bless. Yan, maraming salamat YouTube sa advice and concern. God bless. Ayun, pwede na po yan. Tapos ngayon, pwede mo na po siyang i-submit. Okay, thank for your review. Check out our community guidelines anytime you're unsure about posting content. To see this issue later, go to your content screen and look at the screen restriction column. Okay, yun lang po. Salamat and God bless.